Want to make reverse edits like this? Let's get into the video. Prepare your clips first. Select the clip and press Alt plus T to get timestamp like this. Now take the last keyframe into the middle of your clip like this. After that, go one frame back and make another keyframe. Now overlap it with the other keyframe next to it. Then copy the first keyframe in your clip and paste if at the end of the clip. Now select all keyframes and press F9 button to easy ease. Now go to Graph and copy me. This is how it'll look if you followed me. This is how all the 3 clips look after I do the same to other clips. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.